Hello, and welcome to TheStarWatchingRock. I took the name for this channel from the book A Swiftly Tilting Planet by Madeline L'Engle. It was a book that was very influential to me as a kid. I think that because of reading it, I got the idea set in my mind that I wanted to be a professional astronomer. And so naming the channel this is a small way to thank her and repay her for that. So why the Star Watching Rock? Well, it could be something physical, and it could be a place where you go from which the night sky is darker and the stars more brilliant than anywhere else that you can go to see them. For me, if I had to think of such a physical place, it would be Glacier Point in Yosemite National Park. Or it could be an imaginary place. It could be somewhere you go where you aren't thinking about your everyday stuff. You're thinking about the grand scale of the universe. Why do galaxies look the way they do? How were they put together to look that way? What if you were on a planet orbiting another star? What would that be like? Or what if you were as small as the molecular level or the atomic level or even smaller? What would your world be like then? I want this channel to be a place where you can come to think about these things. So if you have any suggestions for any topics in astronomy or physics, please feel free to suggest or post them, and I'll consider them for a video topic. One other thing that I wanted to mention is regarding astronomy videos that I post to this channel, and especially anything that shows the night sky, that shows a section of the night sky and the constellations that are there. Anytime I do that, I will take all photos at the same scale and the same exposure, meaning that if you're looking at the video, you can compare one portion of the video with any other portion of the video, and the relative sizes will be the same. So hopefully that will be helpful if you're going out to look at constellations on your own. The other thing that I will do is with the same exposure for each of them, the relative brightnesses will all stay the same. So if you look from one section of the video to another, if something was a particular brightness in one thing, the relative brightnesses in the other portion of the video will remain consistent. I'll only use my own photos, only things that I know, where these descriptions will be as accurate and the photos will be as accurate as I can make them. So hopefully that will be helpful. Any feedback you have on those videos or those presentations is welcomed. So again, welcome to the Star Watching Rock, and enjoy.